What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am going to be doing a detailed review on the newest card holder that I have introduced to my luxury family. So if you're already subscribed to my channel, then you probably already watched me unbox the Louis Vuitton Monogram reverse card holder a couple videos ago. But of course, if you're not subscribed, then you know what you need to do, okay? I can wait for you to do it right now. It's going to take us like, what, 3 seconds? And again, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. And if you already subscribed to my channel, then I appreciate you also. So yes, I did already unbox this in a different video, but now I'm doing a detailed review on this card holder today. For those of you that are not going to go back and can't be bothered to go back, this is the card holder that I'm actually talking about. It is the Monogram Reverse from Louis Vuitton. It is the card holder that is so hard to get, but is absolutely stunning in its nature. I cannot express to you guys how excited I was to source this. If you do want to know a bit more about how I sourced this card holder, then click the video that's going to pop up over there somewhere. But what we're going to do is I'm going to change shot right now so you guys can get a detailed look, and I'll show you guys what can fit and things like that inside this little bad boy. So just quickly, for those of you that haven't purchased from Louis before, I will go ahead and show you that it comes in this little box as well as the dust bag as per usual. So you get a little ribbon, sometimes you don't, but hey ho, there we go. This is the piece that we are talking about today. And it is the Monogram Reverse card holder that recently came out about a month and a half ago, approximately. This retails currently on the Louis website for $215. So she is very hard to obtain. I will not lie to you guys. So as I said, if you want to figure out how to get that, I do have some tips in the other video that I unboxed this with. Of course, if you did want to try and find this on the LV website and keep your eye on it, the code is M69161. So the length of this card holder is 4.33 inches. The height is 2.76 inches. And the width is 0.20 inches. So as I mentioned, it is the Monogram, which is here, and the Monogram Reverse coated canvas. It does have a cowhide leather lining in black. Hopefully you can see that right there. It has the interior card slot right here. It has an exterior card slot over here as well as this side it has another card slot. So in total it has 3 card slots. I will give you a closer look of the card holder. As you can see, that Monogram Reverse is just absolutely stunning. It is beautiful. I cannot even begin to express my love for this card holder. I just think there is nothing like it. The Monogram Reverse honestly should become a permanent thing. Of course, they are bringing that into some of their bags, and I just love it. I think it is a hot item to have right now. Look at this beauty, absolutely stunning, honestly. Whew. I feel like I could own more than one and feel absolutely okay with that. So here I have some of my cards that are nicely wrapped in some painter's tape to, you know, privacy reasons and all. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and try and fit some of these inside the card holder so we can see how many we can fit in. So let's go ahead and add in 1 card, 2 cards, 3 cards, 4 cards. Okay, it's becoming a bit of a push and shove at the moment, if I'm being honest. I'm going to add in another one on this side, 5 cards. I'm now going to go ahead and add in another one in the middle slot just to max it out. So currently here, as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards in this card holder right now. She's looking a little bit thick, I must admit. I personally wouldn't have this many cards in here just because I wouldn't want to stretch it out. Plus I don't really carry this many cards at one go. She is a very sturdy canvas, I will tell you that. For me, honestly, that's the maximum. Now let's go ahead and take out some of the cards, and we'll leave one card in each slot. As you can see, it's a bit difficult for me to get out these cards because it's quite packed. Now that just might be because of the painter's tape. I'm not 100% sure on that, but anyways. So now you can see that I only have 3 cards in here, and it feels a lot more roomy. She feels a little bit more comfortable. She's not as full, okay? She didn't eat that much of a meal. I personally would only have 3 cards in here like this, but either way, you can see how stunning it is. So ever so quickly, I just want to show you that I have a full-size wallet here from LV as well. This is the Clement's wallet in the Damier Ebene print. I do have another video on this Clement's wallet if you do want to check it out and know a bit more about that. I'll link it up here. But in comparison, here we are. So you can see that this card holder is just over half of the full-size card wallet. It's about a finger width shorter. Of course, as you can see, the width is drastically different. There is a major difference there. So if you do want something that can fit a lot more in it, then maybe a full wallet is the way to go for you. I'll go ahead and put the wallet inside a full-size wallet so you guys can see what that looks like also. Okay, so let's go ahead and put, no problem whatsoever fitting that in here. And of course it can close up very nicely as well. We'll go ahead. Okay, so really quickly before I head off, let's talk about the stitching and the glazing and things like that in terms of quality from LV, because we do know that we have some issues with LV sometimes regarding quality. So stitching is good. I do think that it could have been a little bit of a better job. As you can see here, some of the stitching is coming slightly over than to where it's supposed to be, if that makes sense. So I can definitely say that for sure. I can also say that on some places along the stitching, it's almost as if the canvas was too dry to pierce through. I can't explain it. Let me just try and zoom in so you can see. So if you look up here somewhere, there's like a little mark where you can see that it was kind of near the stitching. There's little marks like that, and down here somewhere that is in a similar condition. It's not a big deal. It's not anything that is of the nature where I would send it back. In terms of glazing, the glazing is smooth. I don't have an issue with the glazing whatsoever. I think it's applied on very, very nicely. Quality, that's the only thing I will point out. Here is another part of what I was trying to talk to you about on the back end. So if you look very closely over there, it's just here somewhere. Can you see how it kind of sticks out? I think it's there, but I can't quite see in the viewfinder. But if you look and pay your attention up here somewhere, there's a little mark there that's kind of showing what I'm talking about. And yeah, really that's it. That's my only issues with the card holder, but honestly, I wasn't about to send it back. Considering the fact that this item is so hard to get, I'm not going to bother trying to, you know, send it back and all of this and all of that. So I will probably just wait until I can get another one and end up having 2 just in case. But other than that, I'm very happy with it. It is beautiful. It's a stunning, okay. It's beautiful. It's a stunning piece, and a piece that I definitely think that everybody should have in their collection. Yeah, that's going to be it in terms of details and review. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed watching that video. As always, if you're not subscribed, then do subscribe. I would appreciate it. We're trying to get this little family over to 1K so I can give you guys a giveaway. Yes, I know. Very exciting. So if you haven't had enough, then click this video right here, or maybe this one right here. Definitely follow me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram as well. And send me a DM, that type of thing. Let's have a conversation. And I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.